Welcome to reimagining.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to reimagining.com, your premier hub for clean energy insights and innovation. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the world of hydrogen boilers and the key players who are driving this revolutionary technology forward. As we face the urgent need to decarbonize our industrial processes, hydrogen boilers have emerged as a promising solution, particularly for high-temperature applications where electrification may not be feasible. This comprehensive exploration will delve into the roles, efforts, and challenges of various stakeholders in the hydrogen boiler ecosystem. Hydrogen boilers represent a significant leap towards cleaner industrial heating, a critical step in our collective fight against climate change. But who are the innovators making this possible, and what challenges do they face? Let's dive into the ecosystem of players shaping the future of industrial heat. Hydrogen producers, the foundation of the hydrogen economy. First and foremost, let's examine the hydrogen producers. Giants in the industrial gas sector, such as Air Liquide, Linde, and Air Products, are investing billions of dollars in green hydrogen production. These companies are working tirelessly to scale up electrolysis technologies, aiming to make clean hydrogen economically viable for industrial use. Their efforts are crucial because the availability of affordable, green hydrogen is the foundation upon which the entire hydrogen economy will be built. Air Liquide, for instance, has committed to investing approximately 8 billion euros in the low-carbon hydrogen supply chain by 2035. They're not just focusing on production, but also on the entire value chain, including distribution and applications. Linde, another major player, has been involved in over 200 hydrogen projects globally and is actively working on increasing its green hydrogen capacity. However, these producers face significant challenges. The cost of green hydrogen production remains high compared to fossil fuel alternatives. They're racing against time to develop more efficient electrolyzers and to secure enough renewable energy to power them. The current cost of green hydrogen is around $3 to $8 per kilogram, depending on the region and production method. To be competitive with natural gas, this needs to come down to about $1 to $2 per kilogram. Additionally, they're grappling with the chicken and egg problem of supply and demand. Ramping up production requires assured demand, but industrial users are hesitant to commit without a reliable supply. To address this, many producers are entering into long-term agreements with potential large-scale users, such as steel manufacturers and refineries, to provide the demand certainty needed for major investments. Energy utilities, reimagining infrastructure. Next, we turn our attention to energy utilities like ENGIE, E.ON, and Vattenfall. These companies are not just supplying energy, they're reimagining our entire energy infrastructure. They're running pilot projects to blend hydrogen into existing natural gas networks, paving the way for a hydrogen-ready future. This approach allows for a gradual transition, potentially reducing the immediate costs of switching to 100% hydrogen systems. ENGIE, for example, is involved in the development of renewable hydrogen projects across Europe, Australia, and other regions. They're not only producing green hydrogen but also working on its integration into existing gas networks. In the Netherlands, ENGIE is part of a consortium developing a hydrogen network in the port of Rotterdam, showcasing how industrial clusters can transition to hydrogen. The challenges for these utilities are manifold. They need to ensure the safety and integrity of existing pipeline networks when transporting hydrogen. Hydrogen molecules are smaller than natural gas molecules and can potentially leak through pipe materials that are suitable for natural gas. This necessitates careful assessment and potential upgrades of existing infrastructure. There's also the question of how to accurately meter and bill for hydrogen blends. Current gas meters are calibrated for natural gas, and introducing hydrogen changes the energy content of the gas stream. Utilities are working with meter manufacturers to develop solutions that can accurately measure hydrogen blends. Moreover, they're tasked with balancing the needs of various stakeholders, from residential customers to large industrial users, all while navigating a complex regulatory landscape. The regulatory frameworks in many countries are still catching up with the potential of hydrogen, and utilities are often at the forefront of discussions with policymakers to shape future regulations. Boiler manufacturers, innovating for a hydrogen future. At the heart of this revolution are the boiler manufacturers. Companies like Viessmann, Bosch, and BDR Thermea are pushing the boundaries of boiler technology. They're developing systems that can run on 100% hydrogen, promising a seamless transition for industries. Worcester Bosch, for instance, has created a prototype 100% hydrogen boiler, showcasing the potential for this technology. Viessmann has been particularly proactive, developing a range of hydrogen-ready boilers that can run on natural gas and hydrogen blends of up to 20%, with the ability to be easily converted to run on 100% hydrogen in the future. This approach provides flexibility for users during the transition period. These manufacturers face their own set of challenges. They need to ensure that their hydrogen boilers are as efficient and reliable as their fossil fuel counterparts. This involves redesigning burners, heat exchangers, and control systems to accommodate hydrogen's different combustion properties. Safety is paramount, given hydrogen's wider flammability range compared to natural gas. Manufacturers are incorporating advanced safety features, such as flame detection systems and ventilation controls, to address these concerns. There's also market uncertainty. Manufacturers are investing heavily in R&D without guaranteed demand, betting on future policy support and market adoption. To mitigate this risk, many are developing flexible solutions that can work with both natural gas and hydrogen, allowing for a phased transition. Industrial end users, pioneers of adoption. Industrial giants in steel, chemicals, and other energy-intensive sectors are leading the charge in adopting hydrogen technologies. ThyssenKrupp, for instance, is exploring how hydrogen can replace coal in steel production. Their hydrogen-based direct reduction process aims to reduce CO2 emissions in steelmaking by over 95%. BASF, a leader in the chemical industry, is investigating the use of hydrogen for process heat in chemical manufacturing. They're not only looking at hydrogen boilers but also at how hydrogen can be used as a feedstock, replacing fossil fuel-based inputs in their production processes. These early adopters are crucial in demonstrating the real-world potential of hydrogen boilers. Their experiences provide valuable insights into the practical challenges and benefits of transitioning to hydrogen, informing future developments and policy decisions. The challenges for these industrial users are significant. The transition to hydrogen boilers often requires substantial upfront investment. For many, it's not just about replacing boilers, but potentially redesigning entire production processes. There are also operational concerns. How will the switch affect production processes? Will it impact product quality? There's a need for workforce training and new safety protocols. Despite these hurdles, many see the long-term benefits in terms of emissions reduction and future-proofing their operations against increasingly stringent environmental regulations. Companies like ArcelorMittal and Volvo are setting ambitious targets for hydrogen adoption, recognizing its potential to significantly reduce their carbon footprint. Governments and regulatory bodies, shaping the hydrogen economy. Governments and regulators play a pivotal role in this transition. The European Union has set ambitious hydrogen strategies, aiming to install at least 40 gigawatts of renewable hydrogen electrolyzers by 2030. This is backed by significant funding through programs like the European Green Deal and the Innovation Fund. The UK government is funding hydrogen projects and setting hydrogen-ready standards for new boilers. Their 10-point plan for a green industrial revolution includes a target to generate 5 gigawatts of low-carbon hydrogen production capacity by 2030. In Japan, the government's basic hydrogen strategy is driving innovation and adoption across industries, with a focus on creating a hydrogen society. These bodies face the challenge of balancing support for hydrogen with other clean technologies. They need to create a regulatory framework that ensures safety without stifling innovation. This includes developing new standards for hydrogen appliances, updating building codes, and creating certification systems for green hydrogen. There's also the question of how to incentivize the transition, through carbon pricing, subsidies, or other mechanisms. The EU's carbon border adjustment mechanism, for instance, could make hydrogen more competitive by increasing the cost of carbon-intensive imports. Policymakers must navigate these complex issues while maintaining public support and addressing concerns about energy security. Research institutions, driving technological breakthroughs. Research institutions are the unsung heroes in this story. Organizations like the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, in the US and the Fraunhofer Institute in Germany are solving the technical challenges that stand between us and widespread hydrogen adoption. They're working on everything from improving electrolyzer efficiency to developing new materials for hydrogen storage and transport. NREL, for example, is conducting groundbreaking research on high-temperature electrolysis, which could significantly reduce the cost of hydrogen production. The Fraunhofer Institute is working on innovative concepts for sector coupling, exploring how hydrogen can link different energy sectors for greater overall efficiency. Looking ahead, challenges and opportunities. As we look to the future of hydrogen boilers and the broader hydrogen economy, several key challenges and opportunities emerge. Cost reduction. The continuing challenge of reducing the cost of green hydrogen production remains paramount. Advances in electrolyzer technology and the falling costs of renewable energy offer hope for achieving cost parity with fossil fuels in the coming years. Infrastructure development. The need for substantial investment in hydrogen infrastructure, from production facilities to transportation networks, presents both a challenge and an opportunity for job creation and economic growth. Safety and public perception. Ensuring the safety of hydrogen systems and addressing public concerns about hydrogen use will be crucial for widespread adoption. Policy support. The role of supportive government policies in driving the transition to hydrogen cannot be overstated. Continued policy innovation will be key to overcoming market barriers. Technological innovation. Ongoing research and development in areas such as materials science, process efficiency, and system integration offer exciting possibilities for further improving hydrogen technologies. Global collaboration. The development of a global hydrogen economy presents opportunities for international cooperation and trade, potentially reshaping geopolitical relationships around energy. Conclusion. The journey towards widespread adoption of hydrogen boilers in industry is complex and challenging, but also filled with immense potential. From hydrogen producers and energy utilities to boiler manufacturers, industrial users, policymakers, and researchers, each player in this ecosystem has a crucial role to play. At reimagining.com, we're committed to bringing you the latest developments in this field. We believe that by understanding the efforts of these key players and the challenges they face, we can all play a part in supporting the transition to clean industrial heat. Whether you're an industry professional looking to understand your options, a policymaker seeking to support clean energy, or simply a concerned citizen wanting to stay informed, reimagining.com is your go-to source for insights into the hydrogen revolution. Stay tuned to reimagining.com for more in-depth analyses, interviews with industry leaders, and updates on the latest technological breakthroughs. Together, we can support the innovations that will shape a sustainable future for industry. Remember, the transition to clean energy is not just about technology, it's about people, policies, and perseverance. And it's a journey we're all on together. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of the hydrogen boiler ecosystem. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in clean energy technology. This is reimagining.com, powering the future with knowledge and insight. Thanks for tuning into the reimagining.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.